Hello, this is Evan James. In a production environment, compositors often have to key green screen footage that was shot in less than ideal conditions. Things like shadows, motion blur, long hair, and green spill can make keying very challenging. In this series of lessons, we will go over how to effectively deal with all of these problems using some advanced techniques in After Effects. We'll start off by evaluating the footage and planning how to tackle the shot. We'll go on to separate our key into multiple parts, making edge mats, a core mat, and fixing problem areas with holdout mats. We'll then use a powerful technique to fix edges, color correct the character to fit into the scene, and create a light wrap from scratch. Then as a final touch, we'll add a magic blast effect. After you've finished completing watching these tutorials, you will have a set of tools in your back pocket that will help you to get great looking keys from even the most difficult green screens. So